What should you do if the machine has a flash screen or a flower screen? Open the control cabinet door and open the back cover of the screen. Find the curved screen line. Pull it out and insert it back in. If this step fails, then try another plug. Pull out the curved screen line. Wipe the metal piece of the plug or wipe it with a paper towel. The screen is ready to use. Unscrew and open the door. Remove the brace to support the screen door. Pull out the curved screen line. Wipe with a paper towel or directly. Put the plug back on. If that fails, try wiping the other plug.